Hey there, financial adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, you've probably heard of a solo 401k. But do you know how to set one up? Or better yet, do you know why you should? Well, today we're diving deep into this awesome retirement tool, breaking down how to set it up, who it's for, and all the perks that come with it. Now, I know what you're thinking. A solo 401k? Sounds like something you need to hire an accountant for. But nope, you can totally do it yourself, and I'm here to make sure it's as easy as hitting subscribe. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk about how you can set up a solo 401k and start saving for your future. Because believe me, you don't want to leave money on the table. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to get their retirement planning gear. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Okay, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a solo 401k? In simple terms, a solo 401k, also known as an individual 401k, is a retirement account designed specifically for self-employed individuals and small business owners with no employees. So if you're a freelancer, independent contractor, or a business owner with a spouse on the payroll, this is for you. It's like a 401k that's just for you. No need to share with the office crowd. Think of it as the VIP lounge of retirement plans, just you, your business, and some serious tax benefits. Now that we know what it is, let's talk about who a solo 401k is for. This is the part where it gets exciting because it's a retirement account tailor-made for a very specific group of people. A solo 401k is perfect for freelancers and independent contractors. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, photographer, or any other self-employed gig worker, this is your chance to start building for retirement. Small business owners. If you're running a business but you're the only one on the team, or your spouse is also working for you, you can set up a solo 401k. Side hustlers. Maybe you've got a side business while working full-time. If you're earning decent money from your side hustle, a solo 401k could be a great way to save big for retirement. Bottom line, if you're running your own show and you don't have full-time employees, a solo 401k could be the perfect solution for you. So why should you care about a solo 401k? Well, the benefits are huge. Not only can you save more for retirement than with other types of retirement accounts, but you get a ton of tax advantages that can make a big difference in your financial future. Let's break down the benefits. First, you can contribute a lot more. In 2024, the contribution limits for a solo 401k are pretty generous. You can contribute up to $22,500 as an employee, yes, just like your corporate 401k. But here's the kicker. If you're 50 or older, you can also make a catch-up contribution of $7,500, bringing your total employee contribution to $30,000. That's right, up to $30,000. It's like they're saying, hey, you've been hustling, here's a reward. But wait, there's more. You, as the business owner, can also contribute as an employer. That means you can kick in an additional 25% of your net earnings, up to a maximum of $66,000 in 2024, or $73,500 if you're over 50. Yes, you heard me correctly, up to $73,500. You get the employee and employer contributions combined, so you could save a huge amount for retirement. Now let's talk taxes. Contributions to a solo 401k are tax deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on them until you withdraw the money in retirement. This can lower your taxable income for the year and reduce your tax bill. Hello, tax savings. It's like getting a free pass to park in the tax savings lane. Zooming past tax season with a smile. Here's another awesome feature. You can also make Roth contributions. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, contributing to a Roth solo 401k allows you to grow your investments tax-free. No tax on withdrawals when you retire. That's sweet. It's like you're planting a money tree now, and in 30 years the tree grows and you don't have to pay taxes on the fruit it bears. Okay, now that we know the why, let's get into the how. Setting up a solo 401k is easier than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to pick a solo 401k provider. Many financial institutions offer these plans, Be sure to compare fees, investment options, and the ability to add a Roth option to your plan. Think of it like picking out your favorite financial toolkit. What's the one that suits your style? Next, you'll fill out the necessary paperwork. This includes the plan adoption agreement and the IRS. Form 5,500 if your plan grows to more than $250,000. Don't worry, most providers make this part easy with online forms and guides. Once the paperwork is done, you'll officially open your solo 401k account. This is where you can start contributing, either by making a one-time lump sum or setting up automated contributions. If you're self-employed, you'll calculate your employer contribution based on your net earnings. It's as easy as setting up your favorite subscription service, just with a much bigger payoff in the long run. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to keep in mind as you set up and contribute to your solo 401k. Remember, the solo 401k is for business owners who have no full-time employees other than maybe your spouse. If you hire full-time employees, you'll need to look into other retirement plans like a simple IRA or a SEP IRA. Your contributions are based on your business earnings, so if you're having a lean year, your contributions might be smaller. But on the flip side, if you're crushing it, you can contribute more. It's all about flexibility. The deadlines for contributions vary based on the type of contribution. Employee contributions must be made by December 31st, but employer contributions can be made up until your tax filing deadline, including extensions. So, that's the Solo 401k, a powerful retirement tool for self-employed folks and business owners who want to save big and take advantage of awesome tax benefits. By setting one up, you can save more for retirement, reduce your taxable income, and grow your wealth. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. And hey, if you know someone who's self-employed or running a business, share this video with them. They'll thank you when they see how much they could save for retirement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, start saving smart, and remember, your future self will thank you for taking control of your finances today.